traveler Hiuen Tsang. Hiuen Tsang, also known as Yuan Chwang. So Yuan Chwang or Yuan Tsang. He was a traveler of the 7th century AD. He came to India as a monk, and he visited the Sri Harsha's court, Harshvardhan's court, and Harshvardhan welcomed him. Harshvardhan organized a grand assembly for him, and he translated several Buddhist texts from India, and his travels are mentioned in Da Tang Zi, the great Tang records of the western regions. He came via Tibet, and the Tang dynasty was there in China. So he moved west. He went towards Tibet from China, that is west, and then downwards to India. See how much he traveled. And consider that you can travel if 1/100th of that on foot. He was robbed several times too. Whether the statements made by following about the conditions prevailing at that time are correct or not. First statement, the roads and river routes were completely immune from robbery. No, I just mentioned he was robbed several times. First statement is wrong. So first statement is wrong, only B is correct. I have not seen any other statement. If the first statement is correct, because it is a very popular fact that he was robbed several times. And again, categorical, I have highlighted completely, that keyword completely. Completely immune. He is talking about the road center of the North India from such a long journey. He is saying, okay, everything was fit and fine in such long, such huge distance he covered, and nothing happened. Completely immune from robbery. No, even this is logically not. One can raise some doubt regarding that. As regards punishment for offences, ordeals by fire, water, and poison were the instrument for determining the innocence or guilt of the prisoner. Yes, hand for hand, eye for an eye. This was the rule of law at that time. So it is correct. The tradesmen had to pay duties at the ferries and barrier. Obviously, the export duty, import duty were always there. So 2 and 3 are correct. 1 is wrong, right?